Hi friends, in this video we will see some of the mathematical methods which is supported in the JavaScript. So mathematical things also we can do in the JavaScript using math library. Let's see some of the math things. For example, first one what we can say is where pi is nothing but what we can say is 3.14. Okay, instead of hard coding that pi 3.14, so in JavaScript we have math dot, I think it's a capital pi. Okay, if I try to print console.log pi, if I try to check that output, we are getting 3.14. It's a long number. Here it will be provided that mathematical dot pi math.pi you will be having built-in method, this one. So it will give the pi value. And the same scenario you will be having exponential math.e also. It's something like 2 point something, yeah, 2.718 math.e also you will be able to get the output. And another function, some of the functions something like what we can say is, if I say a is equal to -3, and if I want to know the absolute value of the a, that means distance from 0, how much distance it is there from 0. If you want to take absolute value, if you want to see, means we can say math dot absolute of a. If I check here, it will say, it will give you the absolute value 3. That means 3 places distance from the 0. Okay, so it will skip off this minus, and how many places it is there from the 0, it will give you the absolute value. And also we can get the, we can also check, we can also get the round value also. For example, 1.27 or 3.27, something like that. If you have, if you want to round that one, so you can round that one using math.round of a. If you do the math.round of a, you will be getting 3. For example, if I have 89 here, and if I do the round here, I will be getting 4. What is the reason is, so the decimal parts, if it is more than 5 means 0.5, which is more than 0.5 means it will take the next number. Okay, if it is less than 5, something like 48, if it is there, means it will take the least number. Okay, 3. So this is the main difference between round. So if it is more than 0.56, 0.51 also, it will take it as next positive integer. If it is less than 0.49 also, if it is there, means it will take the, what we can say, least number. Okay, if we see it 51 here, if I make it 51, it will take next number, possible number. Okay, math.round. And for this one we have, apart from the round, we have another math methods, something like ceil. What is this ceil? What does this ceil do? It will return the 4. Ceil is nothing but what we can say is ceiling. Ceiling means upper value. So if it is 3.1 or 3.01 also, it will take the next upper value. For example, if you take 3.01 also, you will get 4 as the output. Okay, ceil is the next upper, next coming number it will take. For example, if I want floor, what it will do is, it will take the least number. So floor means down number. Take, it will be 3. For example, if it is 3.99 also, it will take it as 3 only, not 4. Okay, this is the difference between the ceil, floor and round. And also you can have some other things, something like math.max also. So you have list of numbers, something like 2000, these type of numbers. You want to get the max between these two, between these all the things, means you can also get the max thing. In the similar way, you can get the min also. Okay, you got the minimum value here. So these are math.max and min. And we have in between max and min, we also have another one called as random, math.random. What does this math.random will do? Math.random will give you the random number between 0 and 1. So it gives the random number between 0 and 1. So if I run again, it will give, all the time it will give you random number between 0 and 1. Okay, you will be using this math.random lot of places in the JavaScript code. For example, if you want to use most of the things you will be using in the code, get the number between 1 to 100. Okay, so if I want to get the 1 to 100, what we can do is where random or something like that, math.random. Okay, you can use math.random into 100. You can use like this. And if I console.log random, let's check what will it will do. Let's check what it will do. So you are getting 23 and 50, 73, 32, 56, all the time you will be getting like this. So you will be getting the values from 0 to 99. So math.random into 100, you always will get 0 to 99. It will not get the 100 value. For example, if you want to get 100 value, 1 to 100, what you can do is, so from here to here, you can copy and you can make this one as plus 1. So then all the time if you get 0 point something something plus 1 it will do. So that means 1. If it gets 99 plus 1 it will do. So if I try to do like this, 29, 74, 69, 28, something like this you will be getting. Okay. If you want to remove these decimal part and all those things, you can use directly math.floor. Why I will be using math.floor is, why? Because if I get 0 point something 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 means it will become 0, it will become 0, and plus 1 means 1 it will become. If I get 99.9999 something means math.floor it will become 99, plus 1 means 100. So in this scenario you can achieve the random numbers between 1 and 100. So here you will be getting all the time numbers between 1 and 100. You go on print this one, somewhere you will be able to get the, see here we got the 1 number. So like this you will be it will be displayed. If you want to numbers between 1 and 100, you can use math.random. Using math.random we can do like this. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.